there, this is Amy Cuenca, and you are watching my 2-minute tech tip video on making video book reviews using Flipgrid. This is not a video book report, but instead, think of it as being similar to a movie review that is created to give you an idea of what to expect when you go see a movie. Movie reviewers also give you their opinion of whether or not a movie is worth seeing. In the same way, students can create video book reviews in which they connect to the text and share their reaction to what was read. So let's get started for our 2-minute tip. After students read a book, they need to organize their thoughts to prepare for their video book review. You can create a graphic organizer that works best for you and your students. Here is an example of one some colleagues and I created for a group of 2nd grade students. Notice that we leave a small space for them to take notes because this is not meant to be written as a script, but only as a guide to help students organize their thoughts before making the video. It is important to emphasize with students that they must give some information about the plot without spoiling the story. You may want to compare this to the summaries we often read on the back covers of books before deciding if we want to read the book. In this particular tech tip, I am recommending Flipgrid as your video tool. However, any video app or extension will work. The main thing students will need is a computer or device with a working camera. Flipgrid is a video discussion tool where learners can reflect upon, discuss, and showcase what they are learning, and it is free for educators. A grid is the home for your class. For students, you will want to set yours up with either a school email or student ID list. After creating your grid, you can add topics that stimulate the conversation. Here's an example of a video book reviews topic. You can see a few of the students' video entries and notice that next to them I can share their videos in a multitude of ways. In Flipgrid, you are given a QR code option for sharing videos. This is perfect for video book reviews because you can then paste that QR code on books in your library that future readers can scan and watch before deciding if they want to read that book. What a great real-world connection for the students making these videos. As you can imagine, this activity is engaging and fun for students of all ages. After you try out video book reviews for yourself, please let me know what you think, and definitely share examples from your class and tag me on Twitter. I can't wait to see what you and your students create.